Today we will learn how to divide a monomial by a monomial. As we are observing, in numerator we have 28x raised to power 4, which one is a monomial, and denominator also we have a monomial as 56x. Now how to divide it? We will divide their coefficients 28 and 48, and we will divide these variables if these are same. So 28 and 40, 56, as we can cut them at the table of 14, that 14 twos are and 14 fours are, again at the table of 2, 2 ones are and 2 twos are, so that gives you 1 by 2. Now x raised to power 4 and divided by x raised to power 1, you can use here exponents laws also. As base are same, powers can be subtracted, so this gives you x raised to power 3. So what is the answer of this monomial? When we divide by another monomial, that gives you 1 by 2 x raised to power 3. As the another example, you are observing here the coefficient is 12 and here the coefficient is minus 6. 12 divided by minus 6 gives you minus 2. Now we will divide the variable part. Here this is monomial and this is also a monomial. Now here we have the base same, 8 raised to power 6 and 8 raised to power 8 raised to power 8 and 8 raised to power 6, both are in the form of division, so exponents will be subtracted. That gives you 8 a raised to power 8 minus 6, and here b is the same, that is b, and we will subtract that b raised to power 8 minus 4. That means division of numerical coefficient, that gives you minus 2. Division of these two terms with base same, that gives you 8a raised to power 2, and these two which gives you b raised to power 4. Now the another concept is the division of a polynomial by a monomial. As we are observing, in the numerator we have a polynomial, but in the denominator we have a monomial. So now what to do? When we divide a polynomial by a monomial, we will use a concept of distributive property. So we will take the common from these terms as much possible, means maximum terms we will, maximum part we will take common. As we are observing, 8 is already outside, and from all these three terms, here it is x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 2. So maximum we can take common x raised to power 2, and from first term here y raised to power 2, y raised to power 3, in third term y raised to power 2. So we can take common y square, and from z square, here z square, here z cube. So we can take here z square common. After taking common x square, y square, z square, 8 was already outside, so we can write in multiplication form. So this is common, so left from this, so if we are taking x square, y square, z square common, so from this term what will be left? X, because x square common, but here x raised to power 3, so 1x will be left. So y square, z square already common, so nothing left here, plus from the second part x square is already common, here y3, and we have taken y square common, so we are left here with y, and same with the third term, x square, y square common, and here z3, so we are left with here z. So z square is common. In the denominator we have here 4x square, y square, and z square. Now after taking common, you can just divide numerical part to numerical, that gives you 2 x square with x square, because all these terms are in the form of multiplication, and this multiplied with this polynomial, multiplied with this polynomial. Now y square with y square, z square with z square. So what is left here? 2. These cancelled, so what we are left here? X plus y plus z. So in the same way you can do the rest part yourself. Now the third concept, that we are dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. See, we are observing here a monomial, here it's a binomial, and here it is a binomial. Now in denominator also we have combination of a monomial, binomial, and binomial. It means we are observing here we have product of three expression. First is monomial, second is, we can take more than 3 also, as 96 and ABC separated can be considered. So from these two binomials we are observing we can take common 3 from this binomial, and we can take common from here 5. So if we are taking here 96 ABC as it is, and we are taking common from this part, that is 3, so we are left with 3 common, then we are left with a minus 4. From this, what we can take common? 5. It will be in the form of multiplication as we are taking common. So what will be left? B minus 6. In the denominator, we have 144 into a minus 4, b minus 6. When we divide, same bracket will be cancelled. You cannot cancel that 144 with 4 like this. So if we have the binomial, same bracket will be cancelled. So we will cancel it. So we are left here with 96 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply ABC divide by 144. Now we will cancel it. You can cancel it. 3 3 fours are 2 will be, then 20 3 eights are. So now you will cancel it. 48 ones are 48, twos are 96. So 5 twos are 10 A B C. So in this way we will divide the polynomial by another polynomial. Remember, when we have a polynomial with two terms, then same bracket will be cancelled. You cannot cancel A with A. If just suppose we are having here a minus 5 and you have here a minus 6, just suppose, so you cannot cancel this. Same bracket will be cancelled. So remember, bracket to bracket will be cancelled. So in this way you can get your answer, that is 10 ABC.